Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Taking a quick look again here at Matic, seeing what's going on. And we're going to talk a little bit about fib levels. We're going to talk about backend data as well. Just kind of see with the liquidation, roughly what we're looking at. And we'll actually just start with this first, and then we'll give some congrats. Because again, our community members are raking in some profits. Just want to make sure you guys are aware of that. And also where to find it too. So big surprise. We see this a lot in trading. This is basically what we're looking at here. We can see right there at about 84 cents, a strong accumulation of liquidation, upwards of about 85. Okay, so anyone who's trying to short this coin, which I try to urge not to short any coins right now, is getting wrecked pretty hard. So again, not cool. I'm sorry that that's the case if you got caught in the crossfire, but there is some liquidation levels here at about 77, 78 cents. But generally speaking, there's more left, about 86 as a higher estimate there. Quick little congrats again to our community. I just want to know, if you're curious about the difference, Premium Plus is our day trading bot. That's where we actually have scalping bot that trades automatically for us. Okay, you're going to see a lot of signals in here. AVAX recently 70, 60% there. But more importantly, Matic 12%, 12% here, 5% there, 20% there. Just little bits adds up here and there, right? So that's basically what that does. My manual trades are what trades that I take myself. These are all the profits we take in the last 24 hours. AVAX 61%, 100% Reef, Atom 64, QNT 60, Doge 84, AVAX 47, AVAX, Crow, Doge, etc. Right? So that's basically just since yesterday at about this time. So those are some really awesome things. Just want to congratulate our community members. Super thankful for the feedback. I'm happy it's working well for you. If you want to become part of that, of course, there are limited slots available. CryptoCash.tech is the site. So Matic, let's talk about where we're at here on the daily first, and we'll work our way down. Because again, there's a lot of different scenarios here that are possible, but just note we have a previous day close roughly here at about 85.5. Okay, so it could work as a resistance level here. It's worked as a resistance level multiple times in the past. Could do the same thing again. Okay, so the price comes up, can expect a rejection initially at 85.4. Price goes past that, comes back down to retest as a potential support. Those are possible scenarios. Taking a look at the moving averages, we can see that we're above the 20-day SMA now. We've got 3 doji candles in a row, kind of giving us a state of indecision, and now the price is coming up. So it tells us that the bulls are in control and the bears are kind of hanging out on the sidelines. MACD is converging here as well, extremely bullish sign. RSI stochastic is starting to swing down a little bit, but generally speaking, looking okay. We can see, of course, here as well, the conversion line, or correction, sorry, the RSI and the money flow index are both above 50. Those are generally bullish signs. Okay, so we can kind of summarize here that the daily time frame is looking pretty solid. Not perfect, but mostly good. Okay, so that's good. So what we do is we just kind of put that in the back of our mind. Okay, we got generally a good bullish uptrend. Big surprise, the market is bullish right now. Taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see a similar scenario here as well. RSI is up, money flow is higher. We want money flow to be higher because that tells us that we're in good shape there to be able to have the price action justified. Stochastic is swinging upwards as well. MACD converging, all positive signs. Okay, so really good stuff here because of just the way things are looking. Fantastic exchange. Fantastic time frame. I was distracted with something else. Okay, so let's go ahead and kind of calibrate here and kind of see where our fair value gaps are. We can kind of see that we got some pretty decent amount of liquidity up there at about 86 cents. We saw that on the previous chart. And that is some liquidity from this wick up back in November on the 20th. I don't know if you remember that. We got this kind of dead cat bounce. Price pulled up and came back down. So we are looking to sweep that 85.4 upwards to 86.5 level. I think that's more likely to hit that level first before we see any pullback. Especially now that we've retested this level here, I think we're in good shape to be able to see the price continue higher. Okay, so again, most things are looking pretty darn good here on the 4-hour. We're at a 7 right now. Most coins are actually at a 7 coincidentally. In other words, we got about 8 hours before the trading day closes. We could very well see that be the top where the price wicks up to that 85 or 86 cents. So I think we're still going to see a little bit more growth here before the next pullback. Let's look at the hourly and just kind of confirm a couple of things here. Ichimoku Cloud, you can kind of see here, of course, that we're looking to be in pretty good shape. Everything's green light here, no reason to take a short position. We're establishing ourselves just above this level here, this fib level, 0.786. So in all essence, we're looking pretty strong, and there's no reason to consider the price action needing to pull back soon. We're not massively overextended. Everything's looking pretty darn healthy here on all time frames. Again, statistical probability of the price action going up then down here is really what we've derived from this analysis. So What are your thoughts? Are you long or short on Matic right now? Are you like our community members where you took some healthy profits? What was it? There we go. Providence 71. Great job, buddy. Nice little 10x long there. I like that it's closed and not just an open trade. It's good to close your position so you can take profit. It's important. All right, so keep up the good work, everybody. Also, if you want to join the best exchange, again, Bitunix, phenomenal exchange. We have significant benefit rewards if you use my link to register. They have no KYC, no VPN. A lot of exchanges like BingX, for example, are requiring VPN. Just means KYC is on the horizon. So just a heads up on that. You might be surprised later down the road where these guys are got you covered. So thanks Bitunix for a phenomenal exchange. Look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Have a great rest of the day. Take care. Thank you.